Hey there friends, welcome to another video. I'm checking out this PANERGY propane heater. This is for outdoors because it does burn stuff, so carbon monoxide, be careful. But as far as outdoors, gazebos, patios, camping, by the fire, by the lake, whatever you want to do, if you need a little bit of portable heat, this is electricity free. It doesn't weigh that much, maybe about 7 pounds. What we want to do is we're just going to attach our propane tank right here, and then we can turn this on, and it has settings up to 7,500 BTUs of heat. Let's hook a propane tank up to this thing and go test it out. It's been a little chilly outside lately, so should be pretty fun. Let's go do it. These handy little tanks, and just want to take it here, and it just screws right up into the bottom right there. Okay, so it should go on pretty smoothly. This rotates out a little bit if you need to, but if it's cross-threaded, then this isn't going to be straight. So you want to just make sure that you get your threads lined up properly, and then you can just screw it in. We'll screw it in there until it's pretty snug. There we go. Okay, my friends, now we'll just take it outside. That fits in there nicely like that, and we can test it out. Whoo-wee. It's a little chilly out here, my friends, but I got my, it is cold. I got my propane heater out though. And to turn it on, all you have to do is you go over, you push it in, and you can watch the front here. There's a little flame that kicks on right there in the front. That flashes and that lights it up. It just sparks while you got the stuff going over that. So you can see it starting to glow there as it heats up. My hands are actually nice and warm here, just sitting here with this heater burning nicely. So definitely puts out some pretty good heat here. Feels really good. It's probably about 42, 43 degrees outside right now, so it's pretty chilly. No wind, but you can see here that's starting to heat up nicely. And just comfortable now, just kind of sitting here. Even though it's quite chilly, with this amount of heat coming out of here, it's nice and warm, but super easy to hook up, just like you saw. Just screw it in there, make sure the threads are straight, and then you got a nice little outdoor thing. Make your camping or your outdoors more enjoyable, especially if you definitely don't want to use this in an enclosure, but if you're outside, just enjoying the weather and you just want a little bit more warmth, this is a nice way to go here. It's putting out some really good heat. So my hands aren't even cold to just sit here. It's almost like you're sitting at a fire, with the warmth of the fire warming you up, which is, basically it is a fire because it's propane that's burning there. You can see it's all glowing here now. Yeah, it's nice and cozy, my friends. Also got the tip over protection too, so if this falls over, it's gonna turn this off. So like that turns sideways, there you go. Flames out, and this is off. So now we can just turn this off to the side. So once again, it's super easy to get going here, and nice little heater. It's got the easy to carry around. The back parts doesn't get heated up, but this part puts out some pretty good heat there. Actually, pretty impressed with it. Should be fairly durable. It's got this nice cage around it, kind of a metal top and stuff like that, so it's pretty sturdy. Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day out there, and stay warm. I'll see you next time. Also, if you want to turn it off just this way, just switch it to off. Okay, here we are, just out under the stars a little bit. Nice full moon out, and we can enjoy the heater. This is really nice. It's like a little campfire, actually, putting out some pretty good heat. Just huddle around it, and it feels quite cozy, actually. So we're nice and warm out here, and it's pretty enjoyable. I like how it has a little screen around there. It's just it's really nice. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching.